Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe. Okay, I'm just looking at something. So let's get back. So if you're new, then subscribe, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find a link. It says swing trading on automation. So if you want to set up the swing trading on automation, first of all, I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. So click on the first link, then come to this page. Watch this video to understand what I'm saying. If you don't watch the video, you will not know what I'm saying. Okay, so go and check out the first link and come to this page and watch the video, and then you will know what's happening here. It's for everybody, whether you are expert or you are a newbie. It is for you, for everyone. Okay, so join free Telegram if you want. Subscribe, like blah blah blah. Coming back here. So the London market has just opened. That's what caught my attention. Okay, 3 minutes ago. So while I was recording the video, London market opened and the price started going up and down. So that's what I was looking at. But coming back to Euro USD now, let's see what we got. So we got weekly chart. In weekly, we are well above. It's time for exhaustion. So daily chart, what do we have in daily chart? Daily chart, we have been doing zigzags. So there's no momentum in the market. Maybe today we might go up. Maybe today we might break this high. Okay, because dollar is weak. Dollar is weak. So my signal could be that today we might, go and break this high. Okay. So let's come back to 4 hour. What do we have in 4 hour? Yeah, that's our signal. Okay. In 4 hour, we had the rejection from the EMA. That's the signal. Your entry was right here. Okay. If you put your long tool here, that's it. This was your entry, and your profits will be right here. 1:2. 1:5. Go for 1:5. Okay, or just go for this high. Okay, so if I would be you, I was supposed to, or you were supposed to enter right here. So when this was 11th of September, 6:30 p.m. I mean, it depends on your where you were in your country. Okay, so this candle, this blue candle, was your entry in 4 hour. You enter here and you take your profit somewhere here. That's your trade. Okay, so that's it in Euro USD. In Euro USD, this is what I have. And yeah, so today is Friday as well, so keep an eye. And this daily chart is ranging, so there's no opportunity in daily chart until the price breaks above this previous high, and then we'll wait for the pullback and then we'll go long. Okay, one thing I can tell you with the guarantee in Euro USD, it will cross 1800. Right now it is at 1745. It will cross 1800. If that will happen today, I don't know, but this will surely happen maybe today or maybe next week. Okay, so in Euro USD, we are continuing the trend. We will go until maybe cross 1800. Let me check this price, 1772. We will break this high, I know that. Okay, so we're gonna push up in Euro USD, and keep an eye in 4 hour. I told you this candle was your entry. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like blah blah blah, and make sure you check out the swing trading and automation. The first link, come to this page here and help yourself. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do all of that, subscribe, blah blah blah. I'll see you in the next video.